So I'll show you the upper jaw set that normally sits in here. Has come out. Taking it completely out, and there's a wire for the lights in there and some other things that were attached to it, including the fan. And you know, it used to live right up in there. It was above, well, it was above inside that. So there's a lot of glue on here and this epoxy that I was using that we're gonna have to shave off. And this is just hot glue, that'll be easy. And you can see the teeth are a little bit dirty, so I'm gonna clean those up too. I'm gonna start by using the utility knife to cut away this epoxy if I can. It's pretty tough stuff, but I should be able to separate it from the jaw itself. Yeah, so that part's coming off pretty well. Yep, there's some. So the next step is to make this surface, to score it and scratch it, get the rest of this glue off, because we're going to need to make it, basically prepare it for the new layer of glue. So this hot glue can come off. At this point, we need to start applying the glue, and we're going to apply it along the inside here. We're using E6000, and E6000 starts curing after a few minutes, although it takes 24 hours to cure completely. So what we need to do is get this stuff on there and then the jaw in pretty quickly. And we need to put it on here, all along this edge. I'm going with it because it's flexible. And the problem with the old epoxy was after it aged, it cracked and broke. My hope is that this, being flexible, will be able to flex with the rest of the mask. So I'm going to set this in there. There, right there. The new jaw is in there. It's just got to cure. It'll take 24 hours. And then that's on to the next steps. Reinstalling the fan and doing some touch-up. And that's that.